15 foods and drinks good for liver that nobody is talking about. The liver serves as a powerhouse for organs. It performs a variety of tasks, including protein, cholesterol, and bile formation, as well as the storage of vitamins, minerals, and even carbs. Toxins such as alcohol, medicines, and metabolic wastes are also degraded by the liver. If you want to stay healthy, you must keep your liver in good condition. In today's video, we will share with you the 15 foods and drinks good for the liver that nobody is talking about. Number 1. Coffee. Coffee is one of the healthiest beverages for the liver. Drinking coffee has been revealed to defend the liver from disease, even in those who already have liver problems. Drinking coffee, for example, has been proven in numerous trials to reduce the risk of cirrhosis, or persistent liver damage, in persons with chronic liver disease. Coffee use may lower the risk of developing a prevalent type of liver cancer, as well as have beneficial effects on liver disease and inflammation, according to research published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology. It's even connected to a reduced risk in death of people with chronic liver disease, with those who drink at least 3 cups per day reaping the most benefits. These benefits appear to stem from its ability to prevent the production of fat and collagen, 2 of the most common signs of liver disease. Number 2. Tea. Tea is often thought to be beneficial to one's health, but research suggests that tea may be especially beneficial to the liver. Drinking 10 cups of green tea per day was linked to better blood parameters of liver health in a Japanese study. Drinking high antioxidant green tea for 12 weeks boosted liver enzyme levels and may also help reduce oxidative stress and fat deposits in the liver, according to a study on adults with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, published in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine. However, some people, particularly those with liver problems, should use caution while taking green tea as a supplement. Number 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a simple way to increase fiber in your diet. Fiber is a significant part of digestion, and the fiber in oats are especially good for liver health. Oats and oatmeal contain a lot of beta-glucans. In the body, beta-glucans are very physiologically active. They help to control the immune system and lessen inflammation, and they are especially beneficial in the fight against diabetes and obesity. In mice, beta-glucans from oats appear to help lower the amount of fat accumulated in the liver, potentially protecting the liver. Number 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is full of antioxidants, which help to naturally protect the liver. Naringenin and naringin are the 2 primary antioxidants in it, and both have been shown to help protect the liver from harm. These antioxidants may aid in the prevention of hepatic fibrosis, a dangerous condition in which the liver accumulates too much connective tissue. The most common cause is chronic inflammation. Furthermore, naringenin reduced the quality of fat in the liver and raised the number of fat-burning enzymes in mice fed a high-fat diet, which could help stop extra fat from accumulating, according to a study published in the Archives of Toxicology. Number 5. Blueberries and cranberries. Anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that give berries their characteristic colors, are found in both blueberries and cranberries. They've also been connected to many health advantages. Whole cranberries and blueberries, as well as their extracts or juices, have been shown to help keep the liver healthy. The liver was prevented from being damaged after 21 days of eating these fruits. Blueberries also aid in boosting immune cell response and antioxidant enzymes, according to research published in Hepatobiliary and Pancreatic Diseases International, HBPDINT. In the livers of rats, antioxidants present in blueberries reduced the development of lesions and fibrosis, which is the formation of scar tissue. Number 6. Herbs and spices. Do you want to safeguard both your liver and your heart? Add oregano, sage, or rosemary to taste. Polyphenols, which are good for your health, are abundant in them. They also help you reduce the amount of salt you use in many recipes. Cinnamon, curry powder, and cumin are other wonderful choices. Number 7. Grapes. Grapes, particularly red and purple grapes, contain a variety of plant chemicals that are helpful to health. Resveratrol is the most well-known, and it provides a lot of health benefits. Grapes and grape juice are advantageous to the liver. They have been shown to provide a variety of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, avoiding damage, and raising antioxidant levels, according to research published in the Journal of Drug Research. However, because grapeseed extract is a concentrated version, you may not get the same results as if you ate whole grapes. Despite this, a large body of evidence from animal and human studies suggests that grapes are a liver-friendly meal. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 8. Prickly pear. Opuntia ficus indica, also known as prickly pear, is a common edible cactus. The most popular items are fruit and juice. It's been used as a remedy for a variety of ailments in traditional medicine for a long time. This plant's extract was reported to help lessen hangover symptoms in 55 persons in a 2004 study published in Archives of Internal Medicine. There was reduced nausea, dry mouth, and a lack of appetite among the participants. They were also half as likely to have a bad hangover if they took the extract before drinking alcohol, which the liver detoxifies. The researchers found that these effects were attributable to a decrease in inflammation, which is common after consuming alcohol. Number 9. Water. One of the greatest things you can do for your liver is to maintain a healthy weight. Make it a habit to drink water rather than sugary beverages like sodas or sports drinks. You'd be shocked how many calories you'd save per day if you did this. Number 10. Beetroot juice. Beet juice includes nitrates and beta-lactams, which may benefit the heart and aid to avoid oxidative damage and inflammation. It's logical to suppose that eating beets have similar health impacts. The majority of research, however, employs beet juice. Beet juice can be made at home or purchased at a store or online. Beetroot juice has been proven to help reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the liver, as well as increase natural detoxifying enzymes in rat studies. Beetroot juice has also been shown to have other health benefits in animal experiments, which have been confirmed in human investigations. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic powder capsules added to the diet can help persons with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, lose weight and fat while maintaining lean body mass. Because becoming overweight or obese is a significant factor in NAFLD, many individuals benefit from decreasing weight. Number 12. Cruciferous vegetables. Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and mustard greens are cruciferous vegetables with high fiber content and unique flavor. They're also abundant in useful plant chemicals. It has been demonstrated. Brussels sprouts and broccoli sprout extract boost detoxifying enzyme levels and prevent the liver from harm. This effect was detected in human liver cells even when Brussels sprouts were cooked, according to a study published in the Journal of Food Science. Number 13. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish are beneficial fats that help reduce inflammation and have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. While eating omega-3 rich fatty fish appears to be good for your liver, it's not the only thing to think about. Most Americans consume more omega-6 fats, which are found in many plant oils, than is recommended. An excessively high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio can accelerate the development of liver disease. As a result, it's a good idea to cut back on omega-6 fats as well. Number 14. Nuts. Nuts are high in lipids, nutrients like the antioxidant vitamin E, and plant chemicals that are good for the body. This combination has several health benefits, most notably for heart health, but it may also benefit the liver, according to research in the Journal of BMJ Open. A diet rich in nuts has been associated with a reduced risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Furthermore, a second observational study discovered that men who consumed more nuts and seeds had a decreased chance of developing NAFLD than those who consumed less. Although more high-quality research is needed, preliminary evidence suggests that nuts are an important food group for liver health. Number 15. Olive oil. Olive oil is regarded as a healthy fat due to its numerous health benefits, including improved heart and metabolic health. It does, however, have beneficial effects on the liver. The first stage of liver disease includes fat accumulation in the liver. Olive oil has desirable benefits on liver fat as well as other elements of health, making it an important part of a balanced diet. Because your liver is such an important organ that performs so many important functions, you should do everything you can to protect it. Including these foods in your diet is a natural and healthy method to support your liver's optimal performance. Many foods and food groups can be injurious to the liver. Choosing foods that are beneficial to the liver can help a person to avoid future health problems. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!